Welcome back to the Chef's Girl TV. Today we're making homemade gnocchi and we're going to serve them with a delicious salmon and fennel sauce. You may be wondering why I'm wearing my chef jacket. That's because Chef Rico's not here and I've been left with specific instructions to cook the potato. So to make potato gnocchi, we need the following ingredients. Potatoes, we need 1 egg, 200 grams of flour, 50 grams of parmesan cheese and salt. Chef's Girl! Yeah? Are you ready? Sure am. Step 1 is cleaning the potatoes. You need to make sure this is cold. Put the potatoes in the water. We're going to add some salt. This makes me nervous because I never use enough salt. And then we're going to put it on low heat. We're going to cook these for half an hour and then test them to see if they're ready. Okay, so half an hour has passed. Let's check the potato. That's gone through smoothly. So now what we need to do is we need to cut them in half so that the steam inside the potatoes evaporate and they can cool down quickly. I'm just going to leave them to set aside for an hour to make sure that they've cooled down, and when Chef Rico's back we can start making the gnocchi. Right, so Chef Rico's finished peeling the potatoes.
So what we're going to do is we melt the salt in the egg, because it's the only liquid that we're going to add to the potato, around 5 grams per kilo of potato. Now with the potatoes here, smash them a little bit. Now we're going to squash the potatoes.
Alright, so now I've just quickly grated the parmesan. Yeah. And we've got our potato that's already done and mashed.
The first thing we put the egg with the salt, mix it the parmesan. You can use other cheese if you like, you can use pecorino, and if you want, you can even don't use any cheese. Now I'm gonna put the whole 200 grams of flour. Our dough is ready.
The first step is cutting a small piece out of this log, and we're going to roll it out on the bench.
So even here you can do a thick piece, a small piece, depends how you like the gnocchi. I'm gonna do around this size, so it's like 2 centimeters. Now we're gonna sprinkle with flour, so when we cut, it's not gonna stick all together. And we're gonna cut our gnocchi. We're gonna do this size.
How cute with our matching jackets! Not bad.
It's probably 15 grams, and this one is probably 5. Like
it's good. It's like I'm flat. Everything I do has a reason behind.
I don't think that's.
Okay, so now that we've set our potato gnocchi aside, it's time to start on our salmon and fennel sauce. We've got 2 fillets of salmon. We're going to use half a fennel, 1 punnet of cherry tomatoes, extra virgin olive oil, and some beautiful rosé from Bougie Wines.
The top here, we're going to use it raw, add it at the end to give some freshness to the dish. And here, this part, we're going to slice it very thin and cook it with a little bit of oil.
And while we're doing these, we've just got our pot of hot water boiling as well. We're putting our pan on medium-high heat and adding some olive oil. We'll add in the fennel. We're going to cook them until it becomes soft. We've just added some salt on top.
Here with the salmon, what I'm going to do is clean it, and I'm going to take off the skin. So when you take it off the skin, just press it well and with a knife follow the fillet. You're going to have a nice piece of salmon.
Beautiful.
With the leftovers like that, you can cut them out. I'm gonna cut like that and have a nice piece like this. Okay. So now the leftovers here, we're gonna chop them. We're gonna put them in the pan with the fennel. I get all this like a tartar. We're gonna add it. We're gonna cut chunky pieces, and those ones we're gonna add them at the end. Now we're gonna chop the fennel tops.
Now we're just chopping all the cherry tomatoes in half.
Now as you can see, the fennel, it starts softening up. Has a little bit of brown color.
We put on high heat.
Pepe nero. Now we wait the temperature goes up, and we're gonna add the wine. If you don't have rosé wine, you can use white wine.
So wait for the alcohol to evaporate.
Yeah, and our tomatoes are gonna cook through.
It's going to take a couple of minutes. Okay, so the alcohol is now evaporated and our tomatoes have softened. So now we can add the salmon and the fennel to the pan. Mix that all together.
Now we can start cooking the gnocchi.
Beautiful, let's do it.
So super hot water, and we're just gonna
Drop them into the pot.
You have to wait until they rise. When they risen, you have to cook them for around 1 minute. Mix a little bit, so the gnocchi are not gonna stick on the bottom. Over with the lid. Let the sauce is cooking. You see the salmon is cooking. It's gonna be just cooked when the gnocchi are ready. So it's still gonna be juicy.
You can turn down the heat. Okay, so the gnocchi are rising. All right, so they're ready. You can transfer them into the pan.
A touch of olive oil.
I think that's more than a touch.
Spoon of water, cooking water, and start tossing. Perfectly mantecato.
So that's reduced a lot and it's well mixed. Chef Diego has just plated these up very nicely. And we're just dressing them with some fennel tops. And that's a gorgeous plate of potato gnocchi with salmon and fennel sauce. So make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Instagram, The Chef's Girl, so you can stay up to date with all of our new videos coming soon.